Hey there, Prayer Plant Girl here. I am going to do a quick little planting of some pots at my front door today, and I thought you might be interested in seeing it. So I've just had these little cheap egg cutouts in here for a while now because it's been too cold to plant anything. But we're at that point now where we're only occasionally hitting -5 or so at night every week or two. So I thought it was safe to put these out. I can cover them if we get that cold at night. Otherwise, these I'm going to be putting in pansies and some little daffodils that I picked up at the store. So these can easily handle some cool weather right around that freezing mark. So they'll be fine for that. These are pansies that I started from seed back, I think it was the end of January, beginning of February. They're from collected seed of Frizzle Sizzle. And some of them are yellow. I don't know if I have any. Yeah, there's a purple one blooming here. Now, it appears like one tray is all purple and one's all yellow, but I really don't know because, like I said, these are from saved seeds. So they could be any color on the rest of them. Just happens that that's how it is right now. So I have two pots. I have this one here, and then there's a smaller one down there on the other side of the door. So it's just a really simple little project, just to put a little bit of brightness to the front door, a little more than cheap dollar store cutouts. These daffodils, like I said, I just picked them up at the store, and they're planted several to a pot, and they have quite a bit of root on them. Now, they won't be in here that long. You could force your daffodils and plan ahead, so force them by cold treating them in the fall and then planting them up in the spring in little pots like this. But I'm just going to use these purchased ones because I didn't have that planning. And some of them are starting to open and some are just budding up. So I tried to pick a combination. I tried to pick, some just had one or two bulbs, some had several. So I tried to pick some with lots of bulbs in them. So I'm just gonna put a few in, and I'm just reusing the soil from last year because they won't be in here for very long. And you don't really need fertilizer or anything because, again, they won't be here that long. Oh, they're so root bound there. I like using the daffodils. Daffodils I find a little more cold tolerant than tulips. But this area here, being that I have stucco walls, when it's sunny like this, it'll hold that heat. And even when it gets quite cold at night, it'll probably be fine. Right here, unless we get extreme cold. If you're planting in something a little more exposed, then you might want to cover them up, you know, like I said, around that like even around -3, just to be on the safe side. But most of these plants will be fine. Just tucking some of these pansies in around them. Dusty Miller and Snapdragons are also quite cold tolerant. If you have some of those, that would be another great option. There, I think that looks a lot better than just having these little wooden eggs in here. It's a little brightness, a little cheer. And I'm going to do the other pot real quick. This one's not as root bound as the others. And you can see it's just starting to get a few buds, but it will open up. And this area, this pot here actually gets just a little bit more sun than the other one throughout the day, so it'll probably actually catch up. Yeah, just a little deeper. We'll just pack out around it with the pansies. So I put 6 of the pansies in this pot and just 1 of the daffodil bunches. And then the other pot also has 6 pansies and then 3 of the daffodil bunches. So just a nice little addition to spruce up the front door and wait out these cooler spring months while we wait for summer to hit, and I can replace these plants with something that is a little more heat tolerant. And these pots will be actually in mostly shade. In the spring it's not as much of a big deal, but in the summer I'll have to put some more spring loving plants in here. And I can put these pansies and daffodils out into my landscape after they're done here, and they may come back for me next year. So it's always fun to use plants that you can have for a double purpose like that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.